Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be showing you through a Chevy Silverado 2500 HD. Now, we've set this thing up pretty much to travel Australia, from towing packages, lithium dual battery systems, accessories galore. So let's jump into it and I'll show you through all the nitty gritty. So what you're seeing here is the guys from Metalmorphic actually utilizing a 3D scanner to scan this vehicle. So we pretty much have got a digital imprint of what under the seat looks like. So we can then take that to CAD and design a battery tray to suit the space available. So what you're seeing here is basically from that CAD drawing we have a physical product. So we pretty much laser cut and folded these battery trays to suit in under the rear seat. We've got custom panels that we've made for in the drawer system at the back, ePro, inverter mount, power points galore, and we pretty much also assembled the whole system on the bench first prior to being able to bolt that in. The beauty of this is the ease of being able to put it all together on the bench, map it all out to exactly what the customer wants, and then being able to drop it in under the seat, finish off the final termination and send them on their way with an awesome power system unlike any other. It features the Enerdrive inverter, RedArc DC-DC chargers. We've obviously got the battery under there as well, and fusing everything you can possibly need in a nice accessible location tucked away under the seat. So now you can see the finished product. Under the seat in the back of this Chev is everything we've pretty much gone over and what you need for this off-grid system. We've got the battery, the inverter, our sleek looking tray, and all tucked out of the way. You know, this car is able to run any 240 volt appliance off-grid via the power points we fitted in the back, because it's got enough 200 amps of lithium to power absolutely everything it needs. I don't know about you, but looking under this seat, it is sleek and out of the way, an awesome solution for these trucks. It's a bit of a dead space, why not utilize it for your battery system? So alright, looking at the back now, this customer had a set of decked cargo drawers fitted. We've made some custom wing panels to pretty much house some Anderson plugs, our ePro, our inverter screen, power points, light controls, all the bits and bobs needed to run this battery system from under the seat. Obviously, with an ease of a push of a button, we switch that inverter on, plug in our appliance into that power point, and we have power on the go wherever we need. Up the front of this big beast, we have some lights. So we've pretty much fitted two Type X Evos from Stedi. There's a light bar snuck in behind that bull bar. Also, you'll see here we've got the UHF Aerial inside the cabs where we've got our handpiece, obviously our camera system screen, because this truck does tow as well. It's got everything you can think of. This thing is set up to tour Australia comfortably with power galore and all the goodies and comfort of their house. Alright guys, that's a wrap on the Chevy Silverado 2500 build. Now, if you want to see more videos like that, please click the bell icon to keep up to date with what we're releasing. As always, if you have any questions, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next build.
Accelerate off-grid touring, powering your adventures.